Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I would like to share with you the Russian winter. Right now I live in small town near Moscow, in Moscow region. It is very close to Moscow, about 4 or 5 kilometers. But anyway, the winter is more picturesque and peaceful from my point of view because there are less people here and more snow. You will see Russian snow and Russian winter. Let's go! You know, walking is the best meditation and relaxation for me. Hope for you too. Enjoy! Guess what the monument we found here? A spoiler, it is Lenin, Vladimir Ilyich Lenin, sure. So it was an ordinary walk and an ordinary winter weekend in Russia. I hope you have a good time. By the way, let me know where are you watching this video from and what is the weather right now. It is very interesting. Thank you for watching this video till the end and see you. Honestly, I'm so frozen and I need a cup of hot, very hot tea. Take care and see you.
Ты заходи, если что.